Yeah. That's all I need. One mic. Yo. Yo. One mic, one closet, one man, one somebody to understand. If there's nobody understand, it must have been me. I'm in the closet, you see, because I'm the only one understanding myself. And so I'm standing above this while I'm editing myself. I'm trying to let me know what's going when I'm fucking playing myself. Well, guess what? I'm sick of being played with. All these fucking guys and dames and everybody want to be lames and want to be talking about what I did with mine. They call the cops, they want to act like they want to see somebody shot. Motherfuckers want to test me. Try to see if I'm really supposed to be the man that I'm supposed to be. I'm dodging these bullets in this fucking glass. Niggas don't know I'm busting fucking ass. I'm hauling fucking ass when I fucking got a dash when the cops is after me. You don't want to see me when I fucking went all nasty. Psycho in the head, I might have fucking lost it. Now you calling the cops like, yeah, I think I just saw him. Now I'm fucking running. Sometimes I'm about to give up. Sometimes want to see me. Now they start to roll up. I know they want to see me when I fucking pull this mic out. Motherfuckers, I start to pull the mic out. Start spitting at everybody that fucking want to hear it. Now I'm let you get it and get a piece of my spirit. You start to say, what the fuck is he talking about? Well, guess what? I don't know until I finish this rap. So next thing I know, I'm freestyling to myself. It's just me, one mic. That's all I can talk about. But all I know is next thing, everybody want to see me do it. They say do it in front of the public, but you know how they do it. They want to show up and act like they love it, but then they start to fist fight and act like they want it. Now they calling you off stage. They want to see if you gonna get it. All I need is one mic to see if you want to hit it. Motherfuckers want to try me and see if they can get it. Motherfuckers want to see if they really with it. So now they're getting on stage, starting to piss me off. Somebody call the cops because I'm about to get them off. If they don't come, they're going to watch out something happen like dude with the gun. But I'm be the one that's not going out like dude did when they fucking shot him in Columbus. Yeah, I forgot his name because I don't listen to his music. I'm just only doing for self. All I'm fucking doing is only thinking for myself. If you want to fucking listen it, I'm not doing it for wealth. If I fucking get paid, try to do it for self. Then I want to help somebody else after I get paid. I got a lending hand, only the ones that got me made where I'm fucking supposed to be. You bitches wanna fucking see me in these streets, now I'm fucking lost it in the fucking closet. Yo, I don't know what to tell you. I'm not trying to fucking go there. I'm not trying to bury you. I'm not trying to put you under the earth for what it's worth. But what I'm trying to tell you is what it's worth is just get right. All you gotta do is act like you wanna come up to Mike and ask one mic. That's all you gotta do. One mic will forgive you and end the forgiveness, and then we could be like we were supposed to be. But you know, yo, you done lost it. You thought I was in the closet. You too much afraid to come up cause I done lost it. You ready to see me fucking done flip. Now you wanna act like I done flipped the fucking script and I'm the fucking bad guy. Why they wanna act like it's me? All I fucking did was help my mama, you see, and nobody fucking was around when I was hurting. Nobody was around for fucking certain. All I could look around and see there's everybody wanna be down on me. Everybody wanna be clowning me. Mad that he in the closet, you see. Well, guess what? Fuck it if I lost it. I don't give a fuck if I wanna call the cops and see if I fucking do this shit, if I'm real or not. See if I fucking do it, if I kill or not. Keep me fucking pissed and you might see that this is how the fuck this shit just might be.